Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys top 5 under rupees 500. So I have shortlisted my 5 most favorite makeup products and today I'm going to share a review of those products with you guys. So yeah, if you want to know what are my favorites, then please keep on watching. So the first product I have here is a primer and it is the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This one is the bigger version, but they have recently launched their 10-gram primer which retails for rupees 299. And oh my god guys, now talking about this primer, this is such a great primer. I have finished 2 tubes of it and I just love it so much. It has a moussey silicone texture to it, really makes your skin appear very smooth and it controls oil for a very good amount of time. I have oily skin and with this primer I have seen that my makeup lasts a lot longer because it controls the sebum production of my skin. So yeah, this is a lovely primer for someone who has textures and oily skin. Now my next favorite product is the one which you will see in all of the top 5 under rupees 500 videos, and that is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It has been years since it's launched and it's still in hype, you know, and that's for good reason, of course. Again, it is a beautiful foundation, has a soft matte focus finish to it. It is not completely matte, it just looks like your skin has a semi-matte finish to it. This is what I'm wearing on my skin right now. It makes your skin look very smooth. It has a medium coverage to it. It does not look cakey and it photographs beautifully as well. Earlier these foundations used to come for rupees 500, but since they have now added a pump which is like really great, it is so hygienic and you know, you don't end up spilling a lot of product, so that is great. But yeah, they have increased their price to rupees 550, but nonetheless you can definitely get the tube version of it which retails for just rupees 299. Next product I have here with me is Sugar Contour de Force Mini Highlighter. This is how it looks and this is how it looks from the inside. I actually have 2 of these highlighters. One is the single and the other one I have is in a palette. These highlighters are beautiful, does not have a lot of chunky glitters and has a really beautiful sheen to it. You can wear these as a natural from within sort of a glow highlighter, or you can build it up to a higher intensity and make it look all blindy and blingy. This is what I'm wearing right now and I mean, look at that glow, it's just beautiful. Then next I have an eyeshadow palette for you guys, and this is the Wet n Wild 10 pan eyeshadow palette. This is how these look. These retail for rupees 499 and comes in I guess 5 variants and have beautiful colors. The one that I have is called Rose in the Air palette and it has such a beautiful tones to it. Again, this is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. And the pigmentation of these eyeshadows are just so beautiful. The shimmers are beautiful and the mattes are even beautiful. The only issue is that they are a bit powdery, so you will have to face a lot of kickback in the pan. And also make sure you are dusting off the excess product whenever you pick the shadows on your brush, because you do not want to get it all over your face, okay? But yeah, these eyeshadows are so pretty, so blendable and so pigmented. I just love it. Total worth of money. Then the last product that I would recommend you guys is this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. These are total dupes of NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams, and guys, the formulation is beautiful, feels so creamy on the lips, settles down into matte finish like you see. It does not have any sheen to it. It does not even transfer, but yeah, it will fade if you eat something. But I think it is a great formulation. It does not dry out your lips. It feels very comfortable to wear. Is great for college going girls and office going girls. Like anybody literally can wear these and you will not even feel you have applied anything on your lips. It's that easy breezy. So yeah, I really love these lip creams. These are available on Nykaa for rupees 295, but if you buy it offline then you will get it for even cheaper. Like the prices of these start from rupees 150 offline. So yeah, if you get it offline, just grab it. But if you don't, then you can also get it from a lot of Instagram stores, and Flipkart also has a few shades from them. Nykaa has a lot of shades, Flipkart has a few. So you can get from those websites. So yeah, those were the 5 products that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you want to see a part 2 of this top 5 under rupees 500 series, then please like this video. I would definitely do a second part of this if I get 40 likes in this video, okay? So yes, I really hope you found this video helpful. I will leave the link to buy these products in my description box below, so make sure you check it out, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.